Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel by reading D Himta. If you want more notification from my channel, अगर आप मेरे चैनल से ज्यादा नोटिफिकेशन देखना चाहते हो, ज्यादा से ज्यादा वीडियोस देखना चाहते हो, जल्दी से जल्दी वीडियोस को देखना चाहते हो, ज्यादा से ज्यादा नॉलेज, ज्यादा से ज्यादा इंफॉर्मेशन प्राप्त करना चाहते हो, डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल, लाइक, शेयर एंड कमेंट. डियर व्यूअर्स, जनरली आपने देखा होगा कि मैं इस तरह के वीडियोस अपलोड करता रहता हूं जो मेरे स्टूडेंट्स के सब्जेक्ट से जुड़े होते हैं. बट दिस टाइम my video is very different. So stay with me till the end of this video to know that what is here in this video. See, it has well mentioned in the Purans, he who goes to the hills goes to his mother, the loving, nourishing, bounteous mother. Dear viewers, I hope you understood that I am going to talk about the beautiful land of Himalayas. Yes, Himalayas are the greatest of all mountain system, जिसकी लंबाई लगभग 2500 किलोमीटर नॉर्थ वेस्ट से लेकर साउथ वेस्ट तक और इसकी चौड़ाई 250 किलोमीटर से लेकर 300 किलोमीटर. The mountains of peninsular India, such as the Aravallis, the Satpuras, the Vindhyas, and the Nilgiris are over 1000 million years old, जबकि Himalaya are one of the youngest among the mountain system in India. These are believed to be only 40 million years old, और इसे 50 मिलियन से 70 मिलियन इस लैंड मास को राइज होने में लगा and to form the highest mountain system in the world. According to the geologists, Himalayas have originated as a result of sedimentation of a vast Tethys geosynclines that lay between the Gondwana landmass in the south and Angara landmass in the north. The origin of Himalaya is related to continent-continent collision. Continent-continent collision means वापसी टकराव, प्लेटों का टकराव, right? Continental collision occurs when two continental plates collides with each other. There are three transverse zones in the Himalayas. They are Western Himalayas, जिसमें जम्मू कश्मीर और हिमाचल प्रदेश पड़ते हैं. Central Himalayas, उत्तर प्रदेश के हिली डिस्ट्रिक्ट. Eastern Himalayas, right? That is from Shangri-La range up to including the Brahmaputra watershed. तीनों हिमालयन जोन में अलग तरह का क्लाइमेट, टोपोग्राफी और वनस्पति है. As far as concern about Himachal, Himachal takes its name from the Himalayas. Himachal literally means land of snowy mountains. Himachal Pradesh is a small world in itself, which is entered from the plains of Punjab or Shivalik hills or through hills of Shimla, through beautiful meandering valleys covered with pine and typical temperate mountain flora. Someone has drawn a beautiful picture of Himachal Pradesh in his poetic words. Eternal snows, lush green forests, singing streams, dancing waters, lovely lakes, verdant vales, emerald meadows, smiling glaciers, and gay gulls. This is a picture of Himachal Pradesh which sprawl in the northwestern left of the Himalayas. Now, dear viewers, there are some questions which you will answer yourself. See,